Hi, I'm Scott, an employee owner at Cisco-Eagle in our marketing department. Today I'm here to talk about conveyor gates. Welcome to Shop Talk. If your facility has long conveyor lines, you know it can be inconvenient to walk around those to get where you're going. Installing crossing points in longer conveyor lines reduces the amount of time people spend walking around conveyors. You can strategically position gates to control the flow of traffic around your warehouse to ensure people can get where they need to go quickly and easily. Conveyor gates discourage unsafe behaviors like hopping over or crawling under a conveyor line. They're also excellent for emergencies and access where you need to clear people out of the building quickly. They allow quicker, easier, and safer access for maintenance and repair operations. You can install a crossover that lets people walk over the line without interrupting it, and that's a really good method in some situations. Whether you cross over the conveyor or use a gate depends on cost factors, whether you have the space or not, and whether product interruption is possible. We'll get to crossovers in another shop talk, but let's talk about gates today. There are three main types. First, let's examine manual gates. These are gravity sections. Manual gates are available for a broad variety of conveyors. They're hinged on one side and must be unlatched before lifted. While they are relatively lightweight, heavier, longer sections might be difficult for some people to lift. They come with a safety gate latch that engages when the gate is closed, but that's easy for people to disengage when the gate needs to be opened. These gates can be built for different conveyor applications and can be made with steel or aluminum skate wheels, 1 3/8 inch rollers, or 1.9 inch rollers. Standard models are 3, 4, and 5 foot long, with overall widths from 12 inches to 24 inches for skate wheel and 1 3/8 inch roller models, or roller widths from 13 inches to 39 for 1.9 inch rollers. Roller centers are set to match the needs and loads of your application. Gravity gates should be installed in the direction of product flow. When open, they act as a load stop. The second kind of conveyor gate I'm going to discuss is the spring balance gate for gravity conveyors. Spring balance gates have adjustable tension springs which help you lift the gate. This is important for gates that are being used by people who might not be able to lift a manual gate, or those frequently crossed areas where you'd like to provide some ergonomic assistance to everybody. These gates have the standard safety latch mechanism, a hinge spring for ergonomic lifting assistance, and lift handles on both sides of the conveyor. The last kind of gate I'm going to discuss is the E24 power gates, which come with a die spring. These gates are used on power systems and help accumulate products when they're opened. This gate uses a die spring to assist manual opening and closing. When raised, a limit switch is activated, which sends a signal to the zone next to the gate to halt product flow. The gate's rollers automatically disengage and then reactivate to continue to convey products once they're closed. These gates aren't reversing, so they allow product flow in only one direction. Typically, that's not an issue at crossing points, but if you need a reversing gate, contact Cisco-Eagle. Standard sizes are 3 foot, 4 foot, and 5 foot long, with 12 width options ranging from 16 inches to 42 inches. These gates convey at a speed of 65 feet per minute and use a 27 volt, 4 amp DC power supply independent of your conveyor's power supply. Its rollers are 1.9 inch galvanized. Powered gates use a 24 volt DC motor with control card. 3 foot gates use one motor. 4 and 5 foot models require 2 motors. For questions about conveyor gates or anything else involving conveyor, call us today toll-free. Our number is 888-877-3861. You can also visit ciscoeagle.com/conveyors for more videos, in-depth information, pricing, specifications, guides, and lots more. Thanks for watching Shop Talk.